A good preventive maintenance plan is the first step we can provide in order to increase asset reliability. When preparing a maintenance plan for new installation, it is important to have a clear overview of all installed equipment and to know which are service intervals and tasks for both engines and auxiliaries. Auxiliaries equipment is usually externally supplied and manufactured for several purposes. Therefore, maintenance manuals might be written for common applications. Maintenance planner's duty is to create a dedicated maintenance plan for the specific installation, taking in consideration the role of the equipment within the whole power plant and the national regulations. First thing is to collect information about maintenance tasks. Good starting point is Wärtsilä maintenance manual for auxiliaries. Once the task is clear, we need to investigate on which spares are necessary to complete the job. Manufacturer's spare parts catalog or maintenance instructions usually contains such information. Asking for a quotation is a good way to keep track of our identification process. National regulations always must be followed, but if maintenance intervals are not specified, we can stay in safety conditions, applying specific association guidelines. After having collected all that information, we can create a complete preventive maintenance plan with specific tasks, intervals, and spare parts that can be shared with contract manager and field service team.